Hey everyone, this is Corey from the SecureChat Podcast, and this week for our Security Tip Tuesday, we'll be talking to you about deactivating accounts on old devices. The importance of this is that way you don't have unmanaged accounts sitting on devices that you don't use that can get compromised. One really convenient thing, if you have an iPhone or just phones in general, they will have some type of cloud backup. So if you get a new phone, you have the ability to just sign in with your cloud account, and it's going to bring everything down to that new phone just like it was on the old phone. Now this will save you time. When you go to the old phone, you can now just cleanly wipe the phone and be done with it instead of having to go into each application and remove the account from that application. If this is something you're interested in learning more about, feel free to reach out to us on any of our social media channels, and please tune in to our cloud security webinar that we'll be hosting this month. Thank you.